Your decisions decide your habits. Daily habits decide your destiny. That is a great Chinese proverb. And my friends, every day, commit yourself, make it a habit, 10 to 15 minutes like I do each and every day. Don't burn yourself out. Don't spend too much time in the market. As you get better and better, you'll be able to do it faster and faster and more accurately. Let's jump into these charts. The only thing we see down for the day is the NASDAQ 100. We're starting the week off weekly with the S&P, but it did move up a little bit for the day. As we stretch it out here to take a look, we did not reach any higher high. Small candle starting the week off up 0.10%. Now, we will, again, just keep an eye on things and see how they continue to progress. We can see on the two-day chart, we had that Friday candle was a red down candle, a spinning top. This is pretty much a doji right there on that trend line, and we haven't even updated it yet to the next. You can see it again is a decent connecting three candles there, but we can see that we are in the negative territory on the half day and the 2-day, not piercing, not going red yet. The volume you can see down there at the bottom is indeed red. There we go. And of course, that's based on the closing price of the prior candle. But we changed that up a little bit instead of just making sure that the candle matches the volume color. That's why we set it the way we do. Let's look at where things are with the NASDAQ 100 down 0.21% for the day. You can see we have pierced the weekly trend line. We have a very weak start to the week. Red doji pretty much. We'll keep an eye on that. Remember that last Friday 2-day candle was red pushing through, and this one has fallen through. You can see also on the half day how we've pierced it and stayed below it. We'll see how things go on Tuesday in particular. Also may have the ability to enter that trade tomorrow or Wednesday for a practice down trade. Let's look at where things are with bonds. Of course, we had this ceiling here, this purple line. Things bounced off, and then we're starting the week off. This is the Monday 2-day candle. It's only representing half of the 2-day candle, just Monday. So we can see where, again, things are banging right up as to where they went before. Things will tell us a lot tomorrow if indeed they roll over going down. Don't proceed above what might be a short-term ceiling here. So we'll keep an eye on things up 0.97% for the day. What about gold? Well, gold has fallen through. It's in the red, both on the volume. It was red on the volume last week, and this little candle starting out. It was up for the day 0.30%. We can see went for 3 candles, well, 2.5 really, because it's only a half day, half of the 2-day candle rather, a full day. Red down volume, red down candle. We'll keep an eye on gold as we jump into Tuesday and Wednesday. And lastly, we look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin pounded up and then weakening last week and even weaker this week, going into the red on the 2-day down candles, and we can see where it's fallen through. On the half day, it was up a little bit for the day, 0.38%. We do know how these Heikin-Ashi candlesticks are calculated differently. Very important. In fact, for those of you not quite aware of how that works, I'll put at the end of today's video, I'll have a little special Heikin-Ashi training for you. We did this a few weeks ago. It's been receiving rave reviews by you guys. I'll share it again. It will be at the end of the YouTube video. Look for it. God bless, my friends. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.